Linux. Linux is an operating system that was initially created as a hobby by a young student, Linus Torvalds, in 1991. Linux is an example of open source code operating system. This is different from proprietary software like Windows, which can only be modified by the company that owns it. It has nearby all the features present in Unix operating system. Linux also supports Transmission Control Protocol TCP/Internet Protocol IP, and we can access the local area network and Internet. The programs developed for Windows does not run on Linux, and similar programs developed for Linux does not run on Windows. In Linux operating system, memory leaks are caused due to a failure in program to release discarded memory. A memory leak is the gradual loss of available computer memory when a program, that is an application or part of the operating system, repeatedly fails to return memory. Advantages of Linux operating system. Cost or free. The most obvious advantage of using Linux is the fact that it is free to download and use. Security. In line with the cost, the security aspect of Linux is much stronger than that of Windows. Software or distribution. There are so many software choices when it is needed to any specific task. Each distribution has a different look and feel, and the most popular flavors of Linux include Red Hat, Ubuntu, Mint, and Fedora. Compatibility. It runs on all common Unix software packages and can process all common file formats. Stability. Linux does not need to be rebooted periodically to maintain performance levels. It does not freeze up or slow down over time due to memory leaks. Fast and easy installation. Most Linux distributions come with user-friendly installation and setup programs. Popular Linux distributions come with tools that make installation of additional software very user-friendly as well. Disadvantages of Linux operating system. Understanding. Becoming familiar with the Linux operating system requires patience as well as a strong learning curve. Compatibility. Because of its free nature, Linux is sometimes behind the curve when it comes to brand new hardware compatibility. Though the kernel contributors and maintainers work hard at keeping the kernel up to date, Linux does not have as much of a corporate backing as alternative operating systems. Alternative programs. Though Linux developers have done a great job at creating alternatives to popular Windows applications, there are still some applications that exist on Windows that have no equivalent Linux application.